Now we are moving on to word colors. Word colors are exactly what they sound like. You are going to change the background color on the next slides to match the color that comes to mind with that vocabulary word. There is no wrong answer. Then you're going to add a text box explaining why you chose that color for that word. Let me show you an example. I'm going to go to slide 7 and I have the word perspective here. I'm not doing anything with that because I need that to stay right there where it is. Then I'm going to click right here where it says background and it says change background. From there, I'm going to select a color. So when I think of the word perspective, I think of the color this is an interesting one for me. Honestly, I think of the color yellow. And maybe you think of a different color. That's okay. The reason yellow comes to mind is because I think that everybody, so I'm going to click here where there's the T in the square. I'm going to add a text box. And then I'm going to type in my reasoning for choosing yellow for the word perspective. I chose yellow because perspective to me means that everyone's viewpoint is heard and respected, and the color yellow brings that positivity to life. That's it. There's not a big, elaborate, deep meaning behind it. It's just the color that comes to mind. Your responsibility, I'm going to leave this here, just as I've done with all of the examples. Your responsibility is to do the following definitions. So I have went ahead, or the following vocabulary words. I've went ahead and went through and typed them in for you. So you were going to go to scarcity, then you were going to change the background. You are going to choose the color that comes to mind, and then you are going to add a text box right here explaining why you chose that color. All of these words should be changed and given reasonings behind the change.